Welcome again, bus fans in cartoon form. Today we have a Choro-Q of the Oturu Stroller bus that's in Hokkaido, Japan. Oturu is part of Hokkaido, which is like one of the more northern islands of Japan. Anyways, it's a tour bus, but it's a modern bus that looks retro. It says 2002. This toy is 20 years old now. What else is on here? Just some images of the thing. Looks like a Christmas tree. Alright. Strange, there's no additional plastic keeping it from getting scratched, but I guess the whole box is lined with plastic. Alright. But it does look like there's some grime or maybe some cardboard dust. Alright. I'm not sure how many of these buses are running around there, but the license plate says 212. That image, I think, says 212 as well. So maybe there's only one of them. Maybe Otaro is not a big place. Yeah, that photo says 212. So this bus ChoroQ did is these photographs. It looks kind of like a trolley car or a tram. Japan has or used to use, or both, a lot of trams. Okay, so the wheels are standard 5 spokes from ChoroQ. They're red in this case to match here. This is tampo printed, this little gold outline, and then gold up here. I like the windows. This is just a smooth piece of plastic, so all this is graphic. But inside you can see some seat backs facing forward. This is also split here, so this base is a different plastic. So the base is literally molded in red, and then this is all molded in clear. Alright. So the headlights are sticking out, and the turn signals, they're painted nicely as well. There's a central light here sticking out. Grille texture looks good. I'm not sure why this bus would even have this. It's like a step, or like it's almost like an old railroad cow catcher. You know, it's meant like locomotives. It pushes cows out of the way. But for some reason, this bus has it. It seems like it would be like clipped on a lot of things, sticking out that far. Okay, so there's a door on this side of the thing. Only one door on the real bus. Alright. I don't know what that text says, of course. Some printed on taillights and the 212 license plate again. And then on the coin holder we have some sort of company, I'm gonna guess. 3 windows. These are actually molded, so that's interesting. They would mold those windows, but not the side windows. Okay, and then this whole top box just has these. They're smooth, and these are just tampo prints, so there's no molded details, just graphic. Alright, well, anyways, it's a new toy, and it looks new still, so it's pretty good. The casting, though, says 1999, so I guess it's been reissued several times. Oh, I see what they did here. This is an old casting of a regular bus. These are the headlights, the bumper. So they have a modular system, I think, of their buses. This base is used for many types of buses, and then they have different castings for the top. So maybe I can find some of those to compare to right about now. First, let's look for well, is this one of them? I think this is actually one of them. So this is a Kobe City Loop bus, but if you see the outline, it's straight. It's angled down, then it's straight, then the door cuts in, and then it comes back up. So that's pretty much the same thing going on here. Oh, it's missing the angle though, the back, but this door cutout is similar, right? So maybe that's not the exact same casting, but it's the same methodology. Alright, this next one is boy, I forget where this bus is from. It's a tour bus somewhere. I can't read Japanese, so I can't get everything correct for you guys. This one is a Kanagawa Loop bus, since it actually says it on there. I think this is a tour bus in Tokyo. just spinning. Let me try to find another one of these buses with the casting. No, these all have the kink in the back. Well, I guess this might be a newer casting or something. But just to show the modularity here, these two buses, you know, they have this kink in the back. Now, this is a different kink than that one, and then the door cutout, so different front ends. Because I think that this plastic is belonging to the top. Or not. No, this is totally different actually, because the door here comes all the way down. This one doesn't. Alright, never mind. There's a lot of different castings from a company making, you know, toys for 40 years. Anyways, let's get a top view of these tour buses here. I almost want to go to Japan now because I'm collecting all these tour buses. And now that I know about these tour buses, I'm like motivated to go there someday. But you know, with COVID, that's not going to happen anytime soon. And financial. Maybe if I stop buying these toys, I could go on a vacation somewhere. Alright, what am I doing? I'm losing my train of thought. You know what, though? Get this guy spinning on its own here. I think Spider-Man might want to go tour around that part of Japan. Alright, well, it's another unique casting. So, I like it. I guess if I could criticize, I rather wish the sides weren't slap-sided, but I think I know what they're doing. They're only molding, you know, from the top and the bottom, so it pulls out of a mold easier. But, well, these are probably inexpensive toys when they're brand new. This thing wasn't really expensive, even buying it used, so, or new old stock. So, okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll keep an eye out for some other bus castings. Alright, I'll see you in the next tour.